In our previous class, we learnt about degrees of comparison. Now, we learn how one degree of comparison can be changed into another. For example, if the sentence is in superlative degree, we can change it into comparative and positive degrees. There are very different types of sentences and how to change the sentences. Sometimes, if in case of two syllabic words, or monosyllabic words, just by adding er or est, we will get comparative and superlative adjectives. But in case of more than two syllabic words, three syllable or more than three syllabic words, we have to introduce the words more and most in the formation of comparative and superlative adjectives. Let us do some exercises now. Let us see the sentences given here. David is stronger than Jacob. We know when the adjective is followed by than, then the sentence is said to be comparative degree. Here the comparison is between two persons, so we have only two degrees of comparison. Those are comparative and positive degrees. So how can you change it? Jacob is not as strong as David. Since the word strong is monosyllabic word, just by adding er, we get comparative adjective. Now let us observe the third sentence. Govind is more intelligent than Mohan. Here we did not add er to make comparative adjective. Instead of that, we use the word more for making comparative adjective because the word intelligent has four syllables. So we have to use more in comparative degree. When the comparison is more than 2, then we have even superlative degree also. Let us observe the sentences given here. David is the strongest of all. There are many students or many people. He is the only one who is the strongest. Then this is said to be in superlative degree. In case of monosyllabic or disyllabic words, we use est for making superlative adjectives. Now let's see how to change the sentence into comparative and positive degree. Their meanings won't be changed. David is stronger than any other person is said to be comparative degree. What is the positive degree of it? No other person is as strong as David. Now let us observe the second form of superlative degree. David is one of the strongest persons. What is the difference between David is the strongest person and David is one of the strongest persons? When you say David is one of the strongest persons, that means there are some more who are as strong as David. When the sentence is in that form, how can we frame comparative and positive degrees? How to change that superlative degree into comparative and positive degrees? David is stronger than many other persons. In place of many, we can use even most also. And what is the positive degree of it? Few persons or very few persons are as strong as David. That is the positive form of it. Now let us observe this sentence. Govind is the most intelligent student. How many syllables are there in the word intelligent? There are 4 syllables. Intelligent. 4 syllables are there. In case of the word having more than 2 syllables, we have to use more and most while making comparative and superlative adjectives. If the structure in superlative is Govind is the most intelligent student, what is the comparative of it? Govind is more intelligent than many other students. And positive is very few or few students are as intelligent as Govind. This is all about degrees of comparison. Thank you.